Good morning, students of class 6. Welcome back to division physics classes. In our previous physics class, we discussed there about magnetic poles. Today, we like to discuss how we can determine the direction of an unknown places with the help of bar magnet and also with the help of magnetic compass. And also we will know today how we can prepare a magnet, and lastly we prove today repulsion is the shear test of magnetism. Now see the board very carefully. Finding direction with a magnet. Now whenever you want to determine the direction of an unknown places with the help of a bar magnet, which North Pole and South Pole is available to us, we have to suspended that magnet with the help of a thread from a rigid support. Now you rotate the bar magnet again and again, and you will see that whenever the bar magnet comes to the rest position, every time the bar magnet comes to the rest position along a specific directions, and that specific direction is the north south direction of that places, the north end of the magnet point along a direction, that direction is the geographic north directions. The south end of the magnet point along a direction, and that direction is the geographic south directions. So therefore, by performing this activity, we can determine the direction of an unknown places with the help of a bar magnet. In the olden times, sailors used this property of magnet to find the direction while on the sea. Okay, so in the olden times, sailors use this property of magnet to determine the direction whenever the sailors is on the sea. Now, in the modern times, for finding the direction, instead of bar magnet, the travelers, sailors and navigators are use the magnetic compass to determine the direction of an unknown places. So therefore, first you have to know what is magnetic compass and how it is how it is made of actually. Now, so magnetic compass is a device that is used by travelers, sailors and navigators to find the directions. Magnetic compass consists of flat circular case of aluminium or brass. So this is a flat circular case which is made of aluminium or brass. On the top face of this circular case, covered with a glass. Okay, at the center of the circular case there is a small light magnetized needle is pivoted. Now this magnetized needle have a special characteristics. The north pole of this needle is colored. On the base of circular case of the magnetic compass, okay, some directions are mentioned there, namely north, south, east, west, northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. Okay, so this is a constructional part of the magnetic compass. Now you have to know how you can determine the direction of an unknown place with the help of this magnetic compass. So you have to place the magnetic compass at that place. Now, whenever you place the magnetic compass at that place, you remember that the color end of the needle always point towards the north direction of that place. By this method, we can find out the north direction of that unknown places. And as you know the north directions, then the remaining all other directions you can say with the help of magnetic compass. With the help of magnetic compass. So this is a way by which you can measure the direction of an unknown places with the help of magnetic compass. Now student, you want to make a magnet. Make your own magnet. So how can you prepare a magnet at your home also? For which you have to perform an activity. You just take a bar of magnetic material. A bar of magnetic material. Here we take the bar which is made of steel. Mark by the ink one end of the bar. Now you take a strong permanent magnet, and rub the north pole of this permanent magnet from the mark end to the other end of the steel. And from the other end you remove the north pole, again bring the north pole here and rub in the same way for 30 to 40 times. After rubbing, if you bring this steel bar near the iron fillings, you are able to see that the iron fillings are attracted by the steel bar because steel bar is converted into magnet. The method which we are use here for the preparing of magnet is known as the stroking method. By this method, an iron piece can be converted into the magnet. Okay, and lastly student, we want to prove that repulsion is the shear test of magnetism. Now I will provide you two bars. One bar is a magnet, another bar is a magnetic material bar. And I say you identify among these two which one is magnet and which one is the magnetic materials. Now see the situation over here very carefully. Okay, you suspended both the bar with the help of a thread from the rigid support. Now you take a permanent magnet, and see the situation. Near one end of the suspended bar, you bring the north pole as well as south pole of the permanent magnet, and you are able to see that for the both poles of the permanent magnet, with this pole of the suspended bar, with this end of the suspended bar, there is a attraction. Okay, so therefore, as by the both end of the permanent magnet there is a attraction with this end of the suspended bar, we cannot say whether it is a magnetic bar or whether it is a magnetic material bar. Okay, because attraction exists between magnetic materials with the magnet as well as unlike poles of the magnet. Now see this situation. Near this end of the suspended bar, once you bring the north pole and next time you bring the south pole. Whenever you bring the north pole, you just see there is a attraction. And whenever you bring the south pole, then you see there is a repulsion. This repulsion is only exist whenever there is a south pole, and the pole exists in case of only magnet. That's why this suspended bar is a magnet. Okay student, go through this video very carefully. If you face any problem, you can contact with me. Thank you.